Yeah, so right now they're jackhammering a trench where they're going to put the water guard. That's going to relieve water pressure from underneath the slab and from the floor wall joint and pull the water out into the yard.
Moisture, water in somebody's basement is probably a nightmare for a lot of people. Why is it so important to waterproof your home?
So waterproofing will improve the air quality in your entire home because the stack effect pulls air, moisture, mold potentially up into the rest of your home which you breathe. So we're going to give you back usable space for storage, for living. We're going to improve air quality throughout the entire home.
Okay, and then what is your team doing here today?
So today we're putting in a perimeter system. It's called WaterGuard, and we're putting in our no-fail triple safe pump, which has 2 pumps plus a battery operated pump in it. Our waterproofing systems can address water coming in from the floor, from the perimeter, or if you have old block walls, those can often be a source of water coming in to the basement. So we have vapor barriers that'll cover the walls. And then when paired with our Sedona dehumidifier, as well as our Aspen air purifier, we can address mold, which can also lead to wood rot, because mold thrives in moist environments and it actually eats wood and other organic materials.
Okay, we made our way downstairs.
Yeah, so we cover everything in plastic, and we set up extraction fans to pull the dust out of the home so it doesn't affect the rest of the home. While we're doing this work, there's 2 people working from home upstairs.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That's incredible. So can you tell us a little bit about what your team is doing?
Yeah, so let's take a walk over here. I'll show you. This is an existing radon system that obviously we're going to work around.
Okay.
And then once our system is in, we're going to seal it so that our system is radon neutral, and this can continue to extract radon from underneath the slab as it was already doing. So here you can see we've dug a trench. This is our WaterGuard product. That's going to extract the water from the footing and from beneath the slab and from the floor wall joint and pull it out of the home. We'll then add gravel and then seal it with concrete, so nothing's really visible except for this one flange here. Then this is the triple safe pump that I mentioned.
Ta-da!
So this has 3 pumps in it.
Wow.
2 electric that'll manage high volume of water, and then 1 battery operated one that'll kick in if there's any power failure for the other 2. They'll run a line that goes out of the foundation to bring the water to the connection point in the yard.
Yeah, and it's bone dry in here. When did this process start?
This all started today.
This started this morning.
Yeah, so what they do is they come in with like 3 or 4 jackhammers.
Yeah.
And knock the whole thing out. Despite the size of this project, it may still be a one-day job.
That's incredible.
Yeah, it's quite amazing. And again, this will get covered in concrete, so it's low profile, it's not noticeable, but it's doing its job.
Yeah.
Our partners in the real estate community tell us that homes that have water in their basement can sell for 10 to 25% less than if they've been corrected with a company like us. Our owner, Larry Janeski, has built a fabulous facility where we can put out 30 trucks a day, whether it's to repair basements or to service our systems. He built that facility to keep employees around for a long time because that's what makes for perfect installations, experienced employees, and a service department that's there and ready to keep your systems running in perpetuity. So really the thing is, give us a call. We'll send somebody out to evaluate the situation. It's no charge whatsoever. In addition to waterproofing and humidity control, we also do basement finishing, and we also do energy saving and insulation.